In this Big Tractor Power video, we're going to spend some time out in a western Kentucky winter wheat field with the largest tractor that Claas produces today. It's a Claas Xerion 5000 and it's paired with a Demco 1050 grain cart. And we're going to watch these big machines hauling grain away from Lexion combines and moving it to waiting trucks that will take the wheat back to the farm for storage. We'll spend some time up in the cab so that you can see and hear the operator's perspective of running a large tractor like this, as well as time out in the field so that you can see this machine at work. I hope that you'll enjoy this Big Tractor Power video, and let's head out to the field with the Claas Xerion 5000. The tractor we've been riding in is the largest tractor offered by Claas in its worldwide tractor lineup. It is a North American version of the Xerion 5000. It's powered by a Mercedes-Benz OM 471LA engine. It's 12.8 liters and 781 cubic inches. It's rated at 517 horsepower and 472 PTO horsepower. The tractor weighs in at 36,530 pounds. It has a 245-gallon diesel fuel tank and a 23-gallon DEF fluid tank for clean burning engine solutions. The tractor has a ZF continuous variable transmission that is CVT, which means it has infinite speeds forward and backwards and is easy to control in the field, which is perfect for the application we've been watching running a grain cart and keeping up with the speed of a combine as it speeds up and slows down during the harvest. The Claas Xerion 5000 is a very tight turning tractor. It is a fixed frame or rigid frame machine. It uses its axles to steer the four wheels as the tractor moves through the field. Unlike other four-wheel drive tractors which articulate and bend in the middle, the Xerion 5000 steers on its wheels, as we can look down from the cab and see that tight turning radius. As you can see, the fixed frame steering is very handy for maneuvering a large tractor like the Xerion 5000, pulling a grain cart and maneuvering up to a waiting semi-truck. It quickly unloaded the winter wheat and was able to pull right away, and now it's heading back to the field where we're going to follow it to see it unload some winter wheat from Claas's largest combine, the Lexion 780 TT. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in this western Kentucky winter wheat field with the 517 horsepower Claas Xerion 5000. This is an impressive modern tractor to watch at work, and it was fun to take the ride along in the cab and see the operator's perspective of running a large tractor and grain cart during the wheat harvest. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube. There are over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you have any questions or thoughts about this video, please leave them in the comment section below as I try to respond to every post that is made. If you would like to get a preview of what is coming up on Big Tractor Power YouTube next, make sure to check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what is currently being filmed in the field. As always, thank you for watching.